Hello everyone, this is me Saurabh Bhatnagar, and today in this tutorial I am going to teach you about a very helpful plugin, a very useful plugin which is Yoast SEO. Earlier it was called WordPress SEO by Yoast, but now it is called just Yoast SEO, and this is a very useful plugin when it comes to search engine optimization of your website, and it gives you multiple features to actually enhance your website and to index your website in the Google search rankings. So to make you understand it better, I have actually opened two websites of mine. One is saurabhbhatnagar.com and the other one is the minionsaga.com. This is the dashboard, the minionsaga.com, and actually both of them are under construction, but I'm using Yoast SEO. I'm already using it in saurabhbhatnagar.com, and I have just downloaded it in the Minion Saga so that I can mm, so that you can see all the changes, all the differences which I have used in both my websites. So very quickly, I will open the plugin. This is here by the name. I hope you know how to download the plugin. In case you have any doubt, so I have given a link below where it will show that how you can download a plugin. So let's move to the SEO plugin. Here also, and first of all what you have to do is you have to go to your info. Here you have to put your site's name, alternate name, whatever that you want to give, and you have to select whether it's a company or a person. In my case it's a person, so I have selected the person option, and then I have put my name. In the webmasters tool over here, what you have to do is, see, you have to verify your website in the Google Webmasters, and similarly in the Alexa, Bing and the Index Webmaster tools. So what you have to do is you have to go to click on this particular option, Google Search Console, and what it will do, it will show you many options. In the general case, the recommended method is HTML file upload, and in the alternate methods you get this option of HTML tag. But in my case, because I have already verified the saurabhbhatnagar.com, so in my case the recommended method is HTML tag. What you have to do is you have to select this particular thing, copy this thing, and then you have to go over here, Control V, and you have put the complete thing over here, the complete text. Alright, and now what you have to do is you have to clear everything which is apart from the text which is inside the inverted commas. So you clear everything. Now the remaining text is this, and then you will click on save changes. So once you have selected save changes, then you go back here, and then what you have to do is you have to click on the verify button. Over here also you can see that when I will go over here, I will click this button. This is the saurabhbhatnagar.com, as you can see, and you will see that I have already verified my website using HTML tag option. So this is very simply how it can be done. So the previous website I also verified it by using this method, and this website, in this website I will also use the same method. So it is showing me the message that right now they are not able to verify the property. It takes some time. It will, in some cases, because um, I remember when I verified saurabhbhatnagar.com, it got verified in hardly 10 seconds, but in some cases it takes time. So this is something like that. But this is how very simply you can verify your website, and then security is good. Then what you will do is you will move to the titles and metas, and this is a very important portion because you have many options over here. For example, you will select this title separator. This is good, this is cool, and home page is good. Over here what you will do is, what I will recommend you to do is, um, this is good title, but remove the other things like page, site name, because in the index, while you index your website, all these things coming back again and again, so I don't think it will look good, and the users won't find it good. So you can save the changes. So just the title post or the title of your page will come up, and that's it. And when it comes to taxonomies, then I guess you will click on categories, no index, tags again, no index, and format again, no index, because obviously you won't want your tags or categories to index in the website, to index in the Google search rankings, because this is for user help, but not for the that index part. So you will do it this way, and again over here you will do the same, no index, and in the other portion you will click on no index sub pages of archives. For example, you have a particular page of your website which is saurabhatnagar.com oblique SEO, and then you have oblique 1, oblique 2, oblique 3. So you won't want each and every page to index, but only the title page, so it will prevent the other pages. And check these two boxes as well, because uh, otherwise the Google can take data from the demos directory or the Yahoo directory. By checking on these boxes, the Google won't take data from any of these directory. And click on the save changes button. So the titles and metas is done, and next, social. Social is simple. All you have to do is you have to click on this, you have to connect your all your accounts, and you can connect them easily by putting in the URLs of your pages. For example, your Facebook page URL or your Twitter username, Instagram URL. So you can put the URLs over here, and you can connect them with your account, and Facebook app ID, everything. So you can do that. And your XML sitemaps. For the XML sitemaps, I will again come back to the saurabhatnagar.com. So here it will be easier for you because I have already uploaded them. So as you can see, you can find your XML sitemaps over here. So I will click on this button, and here you can see that these are all my sitemaps, XML sitemaps. And if I go to my webmaster tools over here, you will see that saurabhatnagar.com is here, and over here you will get the option of sitemaps. This portion, this particular portion, this particular portion is the option for your sitemaps, and I have already uploaded the sitemaps, so I will click on it, and otherwise you will get this option of add the sitemaps, and you're still getting the option, so you can still add other sitemaps over here. So these are your sitemaps, and what you can do is you can just copy them and you can add them over here. As you can see that I have already added these particular sitemaps. So this is what you have to do in the sitemaps option. And post types is cool. Taxonomies, I have checked this. Tags portion, so I will come back to tags over here, and I will save changes over here in the minion saga, because again I don't want my tags there. And let's go to the advanced portion. Permalinks, over here, advanced permalinks, and from here what you will do is um, redirect attachment URLs to parent post URL, because you will check on this box. The reason is, for example, you have taken an attachment from a particular website and you have put it in your website, and what it will do is, when someone clicks on that particular attachment, it will redirect the user to that website from where you have taken the attachment. And this is not a good SEO practice, because you might get penalized by Google for doing this. So checking on this box, it won't redirect the user to that website, and you will have a clean slate in Google for this particular thing. And yeah, you can check this box also, reply to two com variables. So save changes. RSS, this is a very good option. And what it will do is, for example, someone takes the data from your website and puts it on his website, and he takes it via the RSS feeds. So what it will do, it will automatically show at the end of the page or the end of the data in his website that the post and the link to the post on our website appeared first on our website, the blog link. So it will give the link to, in place of blog link, it will show saurabhatnagar.com and the URL of that post. So this will help in generating the backlinks. And over here in my Saurabh Bhatnagar, I've already also put my personal branding, which is Saurabh Bhatnagar Internet Entrepreneur. So you can put your content to put before each post in the feed. Over here I will put the Minions Saga, the biggest Minion marketplace, and I will click on save changes. And breadcrumbs, this is good. Breadcrumbs, you can enable it, and this is good. See, what is that breadcrumbs? I guess it will be easier for me if I can show you via options. Okay, I will show you over here. In many websites you would have seen that uh, this home, and from home you went to SEO, and from SEO you went to um, Yoast SEO. So what this thing will do in your website, it will put this particular things, all the pages from where you visited this particular page, all the categories or pages under which this particular page or post is located. So this will help the user to go back to the same page, or if he wants to go back to the title page or the home page, he can simply click on home. This I have shown you as an example. Over here only this thing is required. This is what this is by which special character I want my breadcrumbs to be separated. So once again I will save the changes, and then I will go to the tools. You can click on file editor, and I have already checked this file robots.txt, but by default it is not available. So what you have to do is, robots on in this particular option, robots.txt, it will ask you to create a new robots.txt, and you click on that button, and then you can save the changes. So this is what you have to do over here. And yeah, all the settings, all the setting is done. And Now what you will do is, I will show you how you will use your Yoast SEO plugin. So I will click on my dashboard. This I can do simply with this saurabhbhatnagar.com. As you can see that at this particular time I have 5 posts in my website and all of them have a good SEO score. So how to do that? See, I will select any of my posts. For example, anyone. For example, this one. Add new website to Google Analytics. And when you have put your content in this particular portion, your after every post or after every page, you will find this option, Yoast SEO, and you have many these 3 things over here. First of all, it is your the focus keyword. So what you have to do is you have to select your focus keyword. In my case, I have selected add new website to Google Analytics. So this is my focus keyword, and Google will play much of the emphasis on this particular keyword, which in my opinion it is going to be searched more than often in this category. So I have used this as a focused keyword, and then you have to use this focused keyword in as many places as you can. For example, in the article heading, add new website to Google Analytics. Yes, I have over here. You can see. All right, and in the page title, this is my page title. So over here also I have. Sorry, this is the page title. Yeah, this over here also I have, and then in the page URL here also I have. In the content, this is the content. So as you can see that add new website to Google Analytics. So in the content portion I have used it 3 times. So this is a good SEO practice. And in the meta description, this is the meta description of my website of this post, and over here also I have used it to add new website to Google Analytics. Over here also I have used it. So I have used it many times. And another good practice is when you will select your featured image for your post. So what you have to do is, okay, I will remove this featured image from here, and I will again select the featured image. um, See, this was the featured image for this, and in the title also, this is the title, and in the title also I have this add new website to Google Analytics over here. So I won't update the things, so I will keep it this way. And over here also you can use this. And when it comes to page analysis, you can see that the images on this page contain all tag with target keyword, which I have already used. And all these things are green, so these things are cool. And no subheading tags like an h2 appear in the copy. So what I will do is, I will again go back to it. I will again refresh the page because I don't want this featured image option to again come up. So I will refresh the page. Yeah, after refreshing the page you can see that there is no particular headline. So what I will do is I will select this particular text and I will use it as the heading 3, and I will update this thing. After updating, we will again go back to the page analysis. You see that The heading thing is now not here in the yellow section, and after that it is also showing me that no outbound links are appearing, because in this particular page there are no outbound links. Outbound links are uh, when you are connecting your website, your pages or post to another pages or post, or you have your website or other website, so that is the outbound links. So this is not available in this particular page. I will add some, uh, and the keyword for this page contain one or more top words, and the other things. But anyways, the SEO score is good. You can improve that by seeing the page analysis, and yeah, this is how very simply it can be done. And this is how you can do your SEO score. I will come in the frame. Yep. Yeah. So this is it. You can, this is how very simply you can use Yoast SEO plugin, and I'm using it in some of my other websites, and this is the best website, this is the best plugin, best SEO plugin which I have used till date. So hope you like it, and thank you for your patience for seeing this video, and I hope I have helped you with this tutorial. And you can subscribe to my blog. You can add you to my subscription list, and you will be the first one to receive all the new articles or posts which I publish on my website, or any recommended product which I will suggest you to use for your internet marketing efforts. So you can subscribe to it, and thank you. Bye bye. Tata.